Hi guys, welcome to a new video, and as you can tell by the title, this is a special one. I got engaged about a year ago, and now that I have settled my life in other aspects, my partner and I have decided to formalize our relationship. We planned a simple ceremony, and I was so humbled that even our families weren't there, so that was only our day. But I still wanted a little sprinkles of celebration magic for this little girl inside me who always dreamed of being a princess, at least for a day. The night before wedding, I stayed at my friend's apartment, and this friend also was a photographer for a day. I'm incredibly grateful for everything she's done because she surprised me with amazing breakfast and even a morning bridal photo shoot, which we did not plan at all, but it turned out so cool, and I didn't even expect to save even more memories of the day when I was going to become a wife for the first time. After that, we immediately went to the registry office where the official part took place. And then we took a cab to a photo studio to capture some memories, because in our 5 years together we never had a photo shoot as a couple, only selfies.
Только не роняй тебе. А ну я посмотреть, Марина, особенно.
Afterward, we headed out of town as we had booked cozy cabins near a small yacht club. It was a great place to finally relax and just take a breath. It may be hard to believe, but before the wedding, even such a small one, there were too many micro tasks that needed to be solved, and I was emotionally very tired, so it was the perfect place to finally feel grounded. он милый. Он смотрит на нас искоса, как этот из мема, собака. We took some food to camping because we planned to grill some stuff, and it was finally time for that. And I gotta admit, we are not professionals at this at all, but as turned out, the ignition is not that hard, just time consuming. And we had a lot of fun actually, discovering our inner chefs and just spending time by the cozy campfire. I baked some potatoes and vegetables for myself and my husband. Oh, it's so strange to call him husband every single time. So he made some sausages from different types of meat.
Hello everyone, this is your daily dose of internet. This person has zero awareness of their surroundings.
Он его не видит.
Да видит. Давай отойдем, чтобы она ела спокойно. Да.
Ну все, Кися, больше нету. Скажи всем привет и спокойной ночи. Пока, Кися. The next morning I didn't film that much. It was a little bit chaotic because we slept for a long time, then we had a breakfast and immediately left the camping because we needed to run some errands before we will leave for another small trip to a really cozy city called Nizhny Novgorod. Now I'm offering you a short montage of how we spent 3 rainy days there.
The boarding is finished. The train is leaving. The next station is City of Labour Promise, Vladimir. The passengers will leave the train from cars number 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, 9. Take off your headphones and hoods in the other track.
As soon as we arrived in Nizhny Novgorod, we immediately checked into the Oktyabrskaya hotel, and honestly, I do not recommend this place, but however, we only dropped off the belongings and we went straight out to look for food. Attention, advice for tourists: book tables in advance on weekends because we were turned away from 2 places because the restaurants were packed, and this wasn't even during a tourist season. So we walked through the rain and we finally found a place. It was okay, the atmosphere and the food was good, but service could be way better. Картошку макать в мороженое с малиной. Что это такое?
Нет, спасибо, я не хочу. Мне не поздно уже просвещаться. Кто еще так делает? Понятно.
Nizhny Novgorod actually has been attracting more and more tourists lately due to its interesting architecture, convenient infrastructure, delicious foods, reasonable prices, and of course just its beauty. I personally think that this attention to the city is well deserved because it's very clean, it has everything, and even a small touch of uniqueness with its multi-level structure streets. There are many slopes and steep ascents which reminded me a lot of Murmansk and made it hold an even greater place in my heart. We weren't very lucky with the weather, especially on the first day, although the forecasts were even worse and they predicted constant downpours through our stay, but the rain was really light or non-existent at all. When we were planning the trip, I hoped to experience a warm and colorful autumn. Ideally, I was hoping for Babye Leto, as it calls in Russia, which is like an abnormally warm week or two in late autumn, when the summer seems to visit briefly before the real cold sets and all the leaves fall. But it was not the case for us this time. At least we took a lot of walking and again, the rain wasn't that bad. I had been to Nizhny Novgorod on a business trip in the beginning of June this year, and the city captivated me. It seemed so vibrant and interesting, and I was so surprised by how close it's to Moscow and why it didn't occur to me to simply come here before. I'm sorry, I'm a fan. I have no regrets, honestly. And that concludes my narrative in this video. I hope you enjoyed the story, despite the fact that I didn't plan on uploading this video to this channel when I filmed it. But here we are, and honestly thank you for being a part of it, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye. Чусики.